Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. It's called Maverick here. So I've made videos about this platform and I'm making another one today because this platform has been paying ever since. Do you understand? So this platform is where you use your USDT or TRX to play games and earn more. Do you understand? So you deposit for as low as 10 TRX, which is approximately is about $3 or $2.5 right now. Do you understand? So you can flip that 10 TRX to 50 TRX if you want. I'll be showing you guys my withdrawal from this platform, and you are going to see how much I've been making from this platform ever since. So first of all, I'll be showing you guys how much I've made from this platform. Let's see record. So as you can see, I've withdrawn 90 TRX, 70 TRX, 11 TRX, 5 TRX, 36, 39 TRX. These are the number of withdrawals I've made from this platform. So as you guys can see, I've made withdrawals on this platform, and I'm going to be making a withdrawal on this video also. Do you understand? So first of all, let me teach you guys how to deposit on this platform. Do you understand? So over here in the recharge, you'll be getting the recharge address here, which you'll be sending in your TRX or USDT from here. Do you understand? If you're sending USDT, use the TRC20, or if you are sending TRX, use the TRX20 either ways. So you click on copy address, and then I'll go over to my I'll go over to my Trust wallet. So over here, I'll be making my first deposit, and say I'm going to deposit 10 TRX. So come here, paste the address, and click on max. Let's click on max, and so 10 TRX is about $2.5. You understand? So for as little as this amount, you can make yourself serious cash from this platform. So I'll click on next, and click on confirm, and so the transaction is processing. So in a little while, it's going to be sent out, and then the platform is going to be confirming my transaction. You understand? So we'll go back to the platform. Now click refresh. Well, I don't think the money has been sent out from my Trust wallet. When it's sent out, I'm going to check. So the TRX has been sent out of my Trust wallet. I'm going to check now. Click to refresh balance, and I'll go back. So I had 32 TRX on this platform before I made the deposit. So let's wait for the 10 TRX I deposited. So as you can see, the money has reflected 42 TRX. So basically, you guys have seen how easy it is to deposit on this platform. It doesn't take long at all. You make your deposit, and the platform is going to automatically confirm your transaction. Do you understand? So on depositing, I'll be showing you guys how to go about with the games on this platform. So on here, you see the BTC USDT, you see the Wingo. I'll be making a video about this Wingo soon. Do you understand? So stay tuned for that. But on this video, it will be the BTC USDT. So on here, you'll be seeing the history of outcomes. Do you understand? So in a round, there are two outcomes basically. Do you understand? So either big, let me click on here, you see the options here, either big or small, or single or double. Do you understand? Sorry, either big or small, and single or double. So each of these two, there's going to be one outcome. Do you understand? Big or small, and single or double. So in each of those two, one will be the outcome. Do you understand now? Okay. So and then the ones under now, you are going to give the two outcomes. That's why the odd is higher. So as you can see, the big small single double are 1.95, 1.95, and the big single, small single, big double, small double are 3.8, 3.8. So when you click on one, it means that if you click on this big single, it means that the outcome of the round is going to be big and also single. Two outcomes. You understand? Yeah, or if you click on the small single, it means that you are saying small and single is going to be the outcome. Do you understand? So when you come under here, you see the last round was big and double. So as you can see on this one, you see big double. Do you guys understand it now? So basically, you are going to be predicting the next outcome, either one of the options or two of possible outcome. Do you understand? So the good news is that when you go to Telegram, I'll be leaving a link on the description where they'll be dropping predictions, live predictions every minute about these games. Do you understand? So each round lasts for 1 minute maximum. Do you understand? And before the 1 minute time elapses, you've dropped your prediction for the next round. Do you guys get it now? So I'm going to show you guys the Telegram channel where they'll be dropping live predictions about this platform. So on this Telegram channel, they drop live predictions about the games. So as you can see trade type 1 minute, trade notice, results, win. So the next round now, under that same message, you see the next round. What you should put on the next round, big. Do you understand? And then after a minute, the results comes out. So the first section is the result, and the next section after the result is the next prediction. Do you understand? So they said put big on the next round, and then the result of that round came out, which came out as a win. Do you understand? So that's how it goes. You see loss, you see win, you see win, you see loss, you see win, you see win, you see win, you see loss, you see win, you see loss, you see loss. So on this platform, you are not guaranteed to always win. That's why you have to be good at these games, find strategy, and stick responsibly. Do you understand? So I'll be teaching you guys my strategy on how I make money from this platform. Do you understand? So stay focused and do as I say. You guys understand? So when you've not been on this platform for a while, do well when you go back, do well to refresh so you don't make any mistakes. So and be careful about the phase number. So you can see over here, the phase number, which is this is the serial number. You understand? So be careful about it so that you don't make mistakes either. So as you can see, the 0060, you go to the Telegram 0060, and then the next prediction, which is a small, but then the time has elapsed. So we're going to sit this one out. We're going to sit it out and wait for the results. So on here is where you see the results. And then you can also go to the Telegram to check for the results too. But you can see it here before going to the Telegram. Do you understand? So the last result was big and double. Do you understand? So let's go back. They asked us to play a small, which it came out as a loss. So we're going to enter the next round now, which is a single. Go over here. And I'm going to impute my amount. So do well to not take risk. Know how to play. Let me click on confirm first. So play before 15 seconds is left, because the market is going to be closed once it has passed 15. You will not be able to place any games. Do you understand? Well, do well to measure your pocket and know how to go about your risk. Do you understand? So the last game, let's see what the result was. The last game was a small, but then we imputed single. So we lost the round. So we're going to try the next round, which is a double. You understand? So in order to get back what you lost, you have to double your stakes. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on this. Click on confirm. So always do well to be careful about how you go about the games, so you don't lose more than you have gained. Do you understand? So the bottom line is always make profit. So the last round 2 was a loss. So we're going to hop on the next one. 063 asks us to play big. So let's see how this one turns out. You understand? So as you can see, the outcome was big, and then I've made back what I lost plus additional profit. Do you understand? And this has been my strategy ever since. Do you understand? So when you get a loss, always double it and go for the next one. But be careful. Be careful how much risk you take, and know when to take risks. Do you understand? So let's hop on the next one, which is a double. Let's go with 1 TRX. So like I said, 15 seconds is the limit. When it has passed 15 seconds, I don't think you can place any more trade. Do you understand? So that round came out single. So if we had hopped on it, we would have lost. You understand? So we're going to hop on the next one. So the next one, which is a small. So let's click on small. We'll go with 1.75 TRX. So this platform, you're going to make winnings, you're going to make losses. So do well to study the market, Do studying the market. What I mean by market is the predictions. Know the pattern, and know when to stop and know when to follow the predictions. Do you understand? So let's wait for last game's result. So last game result was a win and we made profit from it. So as you can see, 45 TRX already. So just follow these steps and guide of mine and you are going to make money from this platform. Do you guys understand? So I'll be forwarding the rest of the video without my voice, so the games are not going to take long. Do you understand? When you're done playing the games, I'll show you how to place withdrawal on this platform. So withdrawal on this platform doesn't take long, and then it will cost you just 1 TRX for transfer fee or withdrawal fee. So you click on withdraw. So as you can see here, the fee 1 TRX. So as you can see, my wallet has already been added. If you don't know how to add your wallet, you can refer to my older videos and see how to add wallet address to this platform. It doesn't take long. It's not hard to do. You understand? So now my address is already here. All I have to do is click on the amount of TRX I want to withdraw. So let's say 61. So 1 TRX will be the service fee, the withdrawal fee. So I'll just click on confirm withdrawal. Then I'll confirm my password. You have a withdrawal password when you are creating your wallet address, when you're adding your wallet address. So click on this. And withdrawal submission successful. So we'll wait for it to reflect on my Bybit. So for the time being, this is how to maximize your earnings from this platform. Also, you go to my team, copy your referral link and then share it to your family and friends so that you'll be earning from their referral commission. So why this platform is generous with their referral commission is when you refer people, you get percentage from their initial deposit, and then you also get rebates from all their games they play. So each time they play a game, you're going to be earning money. Each time they play, you're going to be earning money on your own account too. You understand? So do well to refer your family and friends so you'll be earning commissions from their games and from their deposit. Do you understand? So that's basically it for this platform. Stick around for my next video on how to make money online. Well, my payment has been confirmed by Bybit, and here it is, 60 TRX. So I placed withdrawal for 61, and then 1 TRX is for the withdrawal fee. So as you can see, deposit confirmed, TRX, 60 TRX. You can see the time, 9:19. Sorry. Yeah, here it is. You can see the time, 9:46. Today's date being 30th of December. So you already know you can withdraw. You already know what to do. You follow my video, follow the steps I gave in the video. If that video is not enough for you, I left the other videos on my channel on how to play the games and make money for yourself. So don't sleep on this platform. Do well to deposit and play the games. So that's that for this video. Thank you and peace out.